पहले मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस लिया करती थी। मेरे पीरियड्स बहुत इर्रेगुलर हुआ करते थे। कभी 24 जून को आ जाते थे तो कभी 1 अप्रैल को। मई का महीना पीएमएसिंग और मूड स्विंग्स में ही चले जाते थे। मम्मी आंटी बोलती थी, बेटा रोज पाइनएप्पल, एप्पल साइडर विनेगर, दालचीनी और अदरक खाया कर। तो कजन सिस्टर बोली, योगा और जिम ज्वाइन कर। मम्मी बोलती थी, बर्गर ठूस ठूस के तुम ओवरवेट हो गई है, तभी तुझे इर्रेगुलर पीरियड्स है। तो दादी बोलती थी, तू बहुत पतली हो गई है बेटा, थोड़ा बटर चिकन तो खा ले। फ्रेंड बोलती थी, तेरे बॉडी में मेल हार्मोन ज्यादा है, तभी तो मुंह चौड़दारी आती है, पर पीरियड्स नहीं। तो पड़ोसन बोलती थी, तेरा थायराइड लेवल कहीं ऊपर नीचे तो नहीं है। पापा बोलते हैं, बेटा तू फ्यूचर को लेके बहुत टेंशन लेती है, इसीलिए नींद और मंथली साइकिल दोनों के 12 बजे हुए हैं। तो ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स दिखाते हैं कि मेरे बॉडी में विटामिन डी और बी की कमी है। और मैं बोल रही हूँ, बस करो तुम सब।
मैं बहुत लेजी हूँ और मुझे एक क्विक और नेचुरल होम रेमेडी चाहिए।
तो गूगल ने बोला, एक नहीं 2 रेमेडीज हैं। एक नाम्या आर्थवाशया फॉर पीसीओडी पीसीओएस, एक नाम्या अनार्थवा फॉर डिलेड एंड इर्रेगुलर पीरियड्स। एक टैबलेट तो दूजा सिरप टू कंट्रोल दिस मंथली मिसहैप। और तब से लेके अब तक मेरा मंथली साइकिल और मेरी लाइफ दोनों बिल्कुल A1 हो चुकी है। कैसे? ऐसे। Namya Anarthava gives a long-lasting solution for delayed and irregular periods by targeting the root cause. It has been formulated using the rich tradition and secrets of Ayurveda, which helps to balance the Pitta dosha, which is the bioenergy for periods. All you got to do is consume 20 ml of the syrup regularly for 90 days. After breakfast and dinner to see a visible change, Namya Anarthava helps to promote timely ovulation, removes all the toxins from your body, helps to balance out the hormonal imbalance, purifies the blood, boosts energy, immunity and fertility, and prevents recurrence. Have you been suffering from less bleeding in the first 2-3 days of your periods? Or has the period gap exceeded more than 30 days? Or have you not had your periods for 2-3 months in spite of not being pregnant? Well, if these are your concerns, then this is the product just for you. And the best part about this product is that it is free from any harmful chemicals, additives, synthetics, and it is absolutely Ayurvedic. It has no drugs whatsoever, so it's absolutely safe for consumption. Still, if you have additional concerns or worries, please be free to consult your family doctor. But I have shared few links in the description box below wherein gynecologists and certified doctors have recommended Namya because it doesn't have any side effects. Namya Arthavashaya is an Ayurvedic remedy, again from the house of Namya. It is here to help treat the root cause of PCOD and PCOS, which is faulty metabolism, which again is a kapha disorder. Consuming 2 tablets every day after breakfast and dinner for a span of 90 days will help restore timely ovulation, which in turn will help to regulate irregular periods. So, how it helps to improve the metabolism is by removing all the toxins from the body, which affects the growth of ova or eggs. This immature growth of ova creates multiple cysts, which leads to PCOD. This Ayurvedic remedy also provides nourishment to the uterus and the ovaries while also helping to control weight gain and prevent bloating. Friends, I am not a big fan of using allopathy to cure any disease because of the presence of chemicals and drugs in them. So I always recommend Ayurveda, I always recommend natural remedies, and that is why I'm recommending these products to you all. So in any case, if you have any allergies, then please do consult your family doctors before consuming these products. And if you're interested to try them out, then I've mentioned the links to buy these products in the description box below. Have a happy and carefree period, and let me know what you think about these products. Also, if you liked this video, if you found it helpful, then please do the drill. Like, share it with your friends so that you can benefit people around you suffering from PCOD, PCOS or delayed and irregular periods. Share, and don't forget to subscribe.